Digitization was already on the drawing board before the pandemic. I must say that the need to socially distance and the need to use more remote means in financial services has actually catalyzed, facilitated, sped up the deployment of technology in financial services. Digitization has accelerated ever since the outbreak of the pandemic. The use of technology has enabled significant number of people to cope with the impact of the spread of COVID-19, to have access to digital financial transactions using their mobile phones and the internet, and the opening of digitally enabled bank accounts, electronic payment systems, digital identification, and wide-scale working from home. So there has been a very significant improvement in the use of digital services since the outbreak of the pandemic. Now, financial service providers have also done very significant improvement in how they can use digitization to take care of their customers or to improve their service delivery. For example, in the insurance industry, the use of technology to improve the insurance service delivery remotely has significantly improved. Most aspects of the insurance service delivery has been digitized, and it is now possible for low-income people to onboard themselves, buy insurance, and pay for their premiums and receive their claims all through digital means, mostly through the use of the mobile phone. And so the use of digitization technology in insurance service delivery has improved significantly due to the impact of COVID. This has also elicited appropriate responses from government, who have created the needed environment and conditions for citizens to be able to have access to such digital services in order to ensure financial inclusion under these difficult conditions. What are some of the things that government have done around the globe to facilitate, to promote the growth in the use of digitization in financial services? So there are in a lot of countries, the fees for digital retail payment have been reduced or completely waived to encourage people to use these services. This is because of the need to socially distance and the fact that the currency, the paper currency note, could itself be a mode of transmission of the disease. So most governments have encouraged their population, especially the low-income population, to use these digital payment systems by reducing the transaction fees or completely waiving them. Now, transaction limits for digital payments have also been increased in order to put controls in place. There were some transaction limit, number of transactions that can be made in a day, or the value of services and payment that can be made in a day. This has also been increased because people have to increase the amount of payment they make via the digital service. And know your customer procedures have also been adapted to enable the low-income people to also use these payment systems. So the improvement in digitization in the financial service delivery has actually paid off and is still continuing. And this is expected to improve access to financial services. The service providers have responded, and government have also created the appropriate conducive environment for these to grow.